Alright, let's do it. I'm going to slap the bumper on it. It's pretty much right to go. The only thing that's probably going to snag me is this, because it's bowing down a little bit. So I may try and hook that under, lift the bumper up on. We got to plug in our fog lights too, so keep those. Keep that in mind. We've got two electrical connectors. Other than that, this thing's ready to go. Yeah. Oh, it's so bright. There you go. It's so bright out here. Oh my God. There you go. That's it. Final walk around. Last video on the Dorito. It's completed. Done. Now I need to decide whether or not I want to keep it or sell it. So yeah, that's it.